You ask Tiger to solve. This deals with linear equations with one unknown. The final result is y equals 13/15. Let's solve it step by step. Simplify the expression. Multiply the fractions. Break up the fraction. Simplify the arithmetic. Multiply the fractions. Expand the parentheses. Break up the fraction. Simplify the arithmetic. Swap sides. Group all constants on the right side of the equation. Subtract 5/4 from both sides. Combine the fractions. Combine the numerators. Reduce the zero numerator. Simplify the arithmetic. Group like terms. Find the lowest common denominator. Multiply the denominators. Multiply the numerators. Combine the fractions. Combine the numerators. Isolate the g. Multiply both sides by 2. Group like terms. Multiply the coefficients. Simplify the arithmetic. Expand the parentheses. Simplify the arithmetic. Group like terms. Multiply the coefficients. Find the greatest common factor of the numerator and denominator. Factor out and cancel the greatest common factor. Simplify the arithmetic. Group all g terms on the left side of the equation. Subtract 3y/2 from both sides. Group the coefficients. Convert the integer into a fraction. Combine the fractions. Combine the numerators. Group like terms. Combine the fractions. Combine the numerators. Reduce the zero numerator. Simplify the arithmetic. Isolate the g. Multiply both sides by inverse fraction 2/5. Move the negative sign from the denominator to the numerator. Group like terms. Multiply the coefficients. Simplify the arithmetic. Move the negative sign from the denominator to the numerator. Multiply the fractions. Simplify the arithmetic. And so the final result is y equals 13/15.